prophecy.
All right, we're just going to kind of feel it out. Does anyone have any questions? Fucking throw it at me.
How long's your dick?
5 on the top, 7.5 on the bottom. Next, how long is your dick?
Yeah.
7 on the bottom, 5 on the top. Baby, I've been on fire all day. Let's fucking do this. Come on, let's get some more questions. Come on. Any real questions like man and stuff like that? Anything? Anything? We good?
Is the coronavirus real?
Survive! Take life! Speak! Survive! Take life! Keep on moving! Out alive! All my touches from where you're alive! Fall into my skull! Fall into my skull! Fall into my skull! And I will get you! The best race!
You're a teenager and you have sex in my camp, you're gonna die. Your first comedian of the night is a man by the name of Reed Landry. Give him a warm welcome.
Hey, when I say hey, you say ho, hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! When I say way, you say whoa, way! Whoa! Way! Whoa! When I say builder, you say wall, builder! Oh yeah, there's always a few.
All right. We got 7 dead bodies. Your fingerprints at the scene. Gotta ask you a question. What scares you the most?
I don't know, man. Like, dying alone.
How the hell you not know what scares you?
I mean, I'm dying alone, global events out of my hands, big birds, like any
Typical white boy
bird
shit.
bigger than
Anything-
a chicken, kind of freaks me out.
A cow or kinda freaks you out?
I hate big birds, man, all right?
It might work. You never know. I'm sorry. I don't. You know what? I'm sorry if you don't like the wall, folks. It's coming. It's coming. I'm sorry you don't like feeling safe. You know, could you imagine if we had the wall on September 11th, you guys? The planes would have hit the wall, baby. Why stop at a wall? Let's just dome this whole bitch off. You know what I'm saying? Stephen King wrote a book about it. Pretty sure it worked out for them. I didn't read it. It was pretty long.
All right. right, my second question for you. If you could kill somebody tonight and get away with it, what weapon would you use?
I'd kill him with my ass.
Ain't no damn. Yo, what?
I'd sit on their face until they died under my ass.
What the fuck?
How about that?
What the hell is wrong with you, man? What are you, a comedian now? You telling jokes?
I mean, I actually do perform a little bit around town.
Well, I gotta fucking tell you, you gotta be the worst comedian I've ever heard of. You killing people with your ass, that's a joke?
I mean...
Remember when you would find a box of porn in the woods and there'd be all sorts of weird shit in it. There'd be like this one like unlabeled tape. You're like, oh, I wonder what this is, you know? Pop it in, and it's kind of artsy, you know, kind of black and white. Still kind of hot, you know? There's like this emo girl in there, like, I don't know, kind of, they did like some weird cinematography. And then like, you know, you finish, and then you get that phone call that's like, you're gonna die in 7 days.
All right, damn it, I got my last question for you. Who's gonna die tonight?
I don't know, man. Betty White?
Betty White? She's already fucking dead, man.
I don't think she is.
Yes, Betty White is
She's
dead.
really old, for sure. I don't...
You better use Google.
Is she?
Yes, been dead.
Can you Google that for me?
Yes, Betty White went down with the Titanic. You lying to me, boy.
No.
You're lying. Now I want some damn answers. Who in the hell gonna die tonight? You tell me right now. Your ass is on the line, boy. Who's gonna die tonight?
I don't know. Probably Bryant.
I'm gonna give your ass black people time if you don't tell me the truth. You going to prison and doing black people time.
You guys want to hear a knock-knock joke? Knock, knock. Informal monster truck.
Informal monster truck, who?
Please, Gravedigger was my father's name. Your next comedian coming to the stage. Did I miss a spot? Your next comedian coming to the stage is Ben Levin.
I tried to become an impression comic. And now I just walk on sunshine. I wish I knew my father. As I said, I do impressions. I need an impression from the audience.
Jar Jar Binks.
I heard Jar Jar Binks. I need a word of inspiration. I heard eating trash. We used to love trash. We used to love trash a lot. I need another impression from the audience.
Randy Newman.
I heard Randy Newman. I need a word of inspiration.
Getting Dr. Scholl's inserts.
I heard eating trash.
Who I love?
Apple cores. I love apple jam. Run, banana. Got a pigeon. I need another impression. Another one.
DJ Khaled.
This is the darn DJ Khaled. I need a word of inspiration.
Restaurant.
On a jet ski.
I heard DJ Khaled taking his medicine. Yeah, we pretty good. We pretty good. I need another impression. Dave Matthews. I need a word of inspiration.
On a plane.
I heard Dave Matthews eating trash and taking medicine. It's so cold. I am crashing. I don't know anything, Matthews. I need another voice. Oh, Joe Rivers. Oh, Joe Rivers. It's time to take my medicine. Oh. Charles, I need help with the. It's so cold. I need a lighter. Does anybody have a lighter?
Oh, I wish I had something.
Oh, it won't be much longer now. Oh, yeah. What's everybody looking at me funny for? This is my insulin. You know how expensive this stuff is on the street? This is my insulin. All the trash was too sugary. I need another impression. Joe Mama. Is this what you people like? This is how I walk on sunshine. Thank you.
Everybody give it up for Elijah Craan. Do it. Do it. Do it.
I'm not doing it.
Do you love me?
Why am I not doing it?
You should do it. Well, I'm shaving it all tonight anyway. It's a problem. Now fuck me up, fam.
Yeah.
That's good enough. All right, here you go.
Before I get started, I just want to say rest in peace to my son Chad. He died recently and it's been really hard, but at least I know he died doing what he loved. Locking himself in a hot car.
All right? Let me tell you something. I got a question for your ass, and I want you to answer to me honestly. All right? First question. What scares you the most?
Doing 2 chicks at the same time.
Ain't no damn way that scares you. You can't even get one chick at one damn time.
Dude, 2 chicks at the same time. How do you please them both? That's so much pressure.
You can't. That's how I know you're damn lying.
I'm gonna take my gun to my ex-wife's house. I'm gonna get my kids back.
All right, I got another question for you, boy. I want you to be honest with me. If you could kill somebody tonight and get away with it, what weapon would you use?
As a student of the blade, I would use the Nipponese sword known as the katana.
Lock his ass up.
You know there's commercials for erectile dysfunction medication where the guy's throwing the football through the tire swing? I thought of something better. Instead of a guy throwing the football through a tire swing, it's a bunch of dudes throwing hot dogs at a woman.
Here's my last question for you, you creepy looking motherfucker. Now, I want you to be honest with me, boy. Who is gonna die tonight?
The guy who's been pretending to be Paul McCartney for the last 54 years.
Fuck it, I knew it. I knew it.
Gas station hot dog. Anyway, there is a friend of mine and a co-worker and probably one of the funniest sons of bitches I ever met in my life. Give it up for Dave Hanna.
Your next performer coming up to the stage is me for the next 8 minutes, so deal with it. All right. You guys adopted? Where are my adopted people? Raise your hand if you're adopted. Wow, 0. More hands for COVID virus than adopted. Very nice. Classic move. Thank you, God. It's the best. Okay.
And here's the question. What scares you the most?
You ever seen a dog suck its own tail?
Do you love being adopted? It is the best card that you can play to make anything about yourself. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Of course you don't, because you're not adopted, you fucking losers. Losers. This room's full of losers. It's great. People just be like, oh man, my dad died last night. I'm like, wow, you got to meet your dad? That's awesome. Tell me about it. Got the same face and stuff? That must be cool. Yeah? Okay. A lot of pros and cons. Big pros and cons situation. Pro, never sucked my mom's tits. Not even one time. Am I right, guys? Did you like this? Did you like that? She's not my mom, is what I'm saying. Okay. Never sucked my mom's tits. Con, I have no idea how to suck a tit, you guys. It is rough out here for me in the sexual game. Give it up for Ladero walking in. That motherfucker knows how to suck a tit. You know what I'm talking about?
All right, I'm tired of playing with you, boy. Now I want the answer. If you could kill somebody tonight and get away with it, what weapon would you use?
I think it's pretty simple, okay? I'm gonna dress up as the ghost of John McCain, all right? Then I'm gonna walk into Tobey Maguire's house while he's out of town. I'm gonna hide in his attic, I assume he has an attic. I'm up in the attic, right? I've got 2 knives in both of my hands, and I've also got separate knives on both of my shoes. Here comes Tobey Maguire. He's walking in. I'm in the attic. Boom! Bust in through the roof with my knife shoes. Kick him in the face. He's dead.
Is that what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
I can't fucking believe it.
And they'll be like, John McCain did it.
Did you guys see that they're making Ariel from A Little Mermaid an African-American woman? Did you guys see that? Yeah, I tried to make a bunch of jokes about it, but they didn't have any legs. Am I right, guys? Huh? Hey!
Here's my last question to you, white boy. And I'm not racist. I just crush a lot. But here's your question. Who in the hell gonna die tonight?
Anybody that's in the band String Cheese Incident.
They all need to die.
They do.
Really. But that's not the point. The point is...
Please give it up for your now headliner, Mr. Bryant Felicity Smith.
tonight, guys! Oh my God! Chainsaw Comedy, the only time where a bunch of comics get drunk. It never happens any other time.
All right, pretty boy. Besides fine women with fat asses, what scares you the most?
Well, that is what scares me the most. But, I don't know, being on this show?
No way. This fucking show has the lowest ratings ever. I know you don't want to be on this fucking show, but I need to know that understands what really scares you the most.
Being on this show, I don't want to be on something with ratings like this. I have a reputation to uphold. I have a career to think about.
Well, your shit's in the toilet now.
So coronavirus is a thing. I clearly don't care. Because I do comedy here all the time. I do comedy at JJ's Bohemia. Like, I am a depraved person. I'm a traveling comic. I have taken a lot of dumps in a lot of gas stations. I will never take a shit in JJ's. Not because I respect the bar or anything like that. It's not because I'm like, oh, I don't want anyone to smell my dookie doos. It's because I don't want to sit down on that. My pristine cheeks shall not touch it. Like, I don't want to sit down to take a dump and have a miscarriage ghost crawl up my asshole. You know what I mean?
All right, pretty boy. Second question. If your ass could kill anybody tonight and get away with it, what weapon would you use?
Like a cup full of vaginal discharge from Bridget Martin.
But then I thought, no. Humans already have mating dance. Because if you've ever been to a karaoke bar and it's getting close to last call and someone sings Sweet Child of Mine, and you see two rednecks doing that snake dance at each other, they are going to have unprotected sex. And produce a kid that'll rob a liquor store.
Last question, and I want you to be extremely honest with me. Who the fuck gonna die tonight?
Probably me.
And who's gonna kill you, son? Do you know the killer?
No.
Oh, God. We have Joe Biden, who's probably going to get the nomination, which makes me want to disembowel myself. We have Joe Biden, who looks like he just drank from the wrong grail.
All right. What the fuck? You look pretty fucking creepy. Don't look like you killed nobody. So I got a question for your ass. What scares you the most?
I used to be a Bernie guy. Yeah, I used to be a Bernie guy. I'm not anymore. It's not because I disagree with him on any fundamental level. It's because I know for a fact that Bernie Sanders fucks and that keeps me up at night. Because he does.
If you could kill anybody tonight and get away with it, what weapon would you use? Pretty nice.
Look at him. He's got a hog. Bernie Sanders fucks. He's got the eyes of a predator. What do you guys think it sounds like when he comes? Because I bet it's pretty gnarly. Because I just imagine Bernie Sanders having sex like, do you like it when I touch your clitoris, honey? He calls it the clitoris. Do you like when I touch your clitoris? Last night I was making love to my wife. And I said I wanted to take the 1% of the titties and put them in the 99% of my face.
All right, you fucking weirdo. I got my last question for you. Who is going to die tonight? What? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit!